What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. So if you watch part one, then you know how I colored this unit. I colored the bundles and the frontals separately, so watch part one if you want to see how I did that. I was not all the way pleased with the color it came out, so I wanted to go back in and add some more tones to it. I'm using 6RR in Pravana. You can see that information on the first video as well, and I'm just going back in the places that I want to highlight a little bit more in the red color. So most of the parts that are blonde, I went ahead and covered it in the 6RR so that I could have a reddish tint to it. I also went down to the root as far as I could so that those darker areas at the root I could tint slightly, so they won't lift as high as the blonde, but it will give a slight tint. Right here, I'm just pulling the color down through some of the already red pieces, and it's pretty much going to darken it up. It is color, so it will not make it lighter. It will actually darken it, which is what I wanted, and I was pleased with the outcome.